he meets a fighter, a young fighter, up and coming fighter that everybody's talking about. And the fighter asks him, Wiley, I need you to help me do something different with my style. I'm having problems with this and that. Can you help me? I've been to a couple fights that you've had, with your teams. And I want, I'm doing good. I got good trainer, but I need something extra. Which camera should I look at?
Either one.
Okay, I need something extra. Because I want to be champion of the world. That fighter's name was a guy called Henry Armstrong. So my father gets to work with Henry, and my father and a guy named Lou Salica, Salica. I'm not sure whether it's Salica or Salica. I want to mention his name because he's not mostly known. But him and my father changed Henry Armstrong's style. And what they did was, my father said he taught Henry to move his opponent, to learn to move his opponent with his shoulders and his arms and his fists, and how to set him up for that right hand. Henry had a good right hand. He'd move his head and shoulders and move like this. You see Henry fighting like this, and he's moving you in position for this. And that's what my father taught him. And he was with him for 5 fights till he got to the title. Okay, he was with him 5 fights till he got to the title, the welterweight title. I'm not sure where he started with Henry, but he was with him like 5 fights. And Henry won all of them.